So here we are, guys, in a big home. We're going to be cleaning carpets today, and we already did tile and grout. So it's funny how some people still have carpets in their bathrooms. Bathroom 1, see that? There's a shower here. So bathroom 2. So we're going to be cleaning all this here today. It's not in bad shape. Here's our walk-in closet right over here. And well, we're pre-vacuuming first, obviously, very important. And this is the size room. It's a pretty big room, in fact. It's not that bad. I've seen a lot worse than that. So stay tuned. We will be right back. Okay, we're back, guys. So here we are. Now we just pre-sprayed. So now what we're doing, we're actually using a CRB machine. What this does for the client is that it ensures that it mixes everything properly into the deepness of the carpet fiber. Okay, so this is very important. All this was black before I started it, and all the blackness is gone. I didn't even extract yet with our hot water system. So this is basically what we call a restoration of your carpet. Okay, so if you have rugs or anything like that, it can also be applied. What we do is that we'll use it first dry. We'll use a tray on it, and we pick up any dry, loose soil. And afterwards, what we do is that we pass this same way in order to mix in all the pre-spray, and away we go. Now we're going to start cleaning. So I'm going to pause this and be back with section number 3. So we're back doing section number 3. With our hot water steam clean. You must have about 200 degrees at the wand, because everything is connected to an outside truck mount. And yes, we can work in the winter, but we have to choose our days, okay guys? Anything colder than -10, we have to reschedule if we ever book appointments. Jones Multinet, 514-704-3947.